O2 appli make-up for a natural look. A fresh facial vein style. If you resign yourself into make-up or would simply like to try something new, the natural look will be perfect for you. Of course, even the natural look take a little bit of time and practice. Scroll down to step 1 to get started. Clean your face off en preview make-up. Puis make-up remove au water on a coton ball. D'abord rub the coton ball in small circle to remove all the make-up. Determine your skin type en classe, ton en moisturize with suitable product twice a day. If you have a skin problem like spot bar oblique blackhead, exfoliate your skin. Moisturize your face. Using a small dab size of app, gently rubbing on scented, oil-free lotion. Scented lotion can aggravate your skin en cause break ou en allergique reaction, en oily lotion will encourage acne. For a more natural look, instead of using foundation, use a tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer blending will evening out your skin tone en commonly contain SPF. Those lucky girl with clear skin will look best using tinted moisturizer. Apply concealer to enable mission around your eye. Applying your concealer before foundation help keep foundation to a minimal amount 1. Make sure it takes some color your skin. When you apply the concealer, do so directly on the spot on around it. To avoid a low effect en emphasis of the spot. Optionally set with beige powder. Be careful not to overdo it on the concealer you only need on to cover the spot. Apply a powder foundation on taulier part of your face. Before you start, it best to determine what or no you're using the right foundation color. Get in a natural light and test the foundation to make sure it right color for your skin. Dab a fait mark on your cheek en angle your face differ way to see if the color match. Take your finger or a sponge dab into foundation, and dab it on your face, blending it until it looks like your skin tone. Be sure to go underneath your jawline, if you stop at edge of your face, there will be a clear line over the foundation on, making it look like you're wearing a mask. If you have bag or discoloration under your eye, make 3 dots on the line of the circle under your eye. Blend it gently using your ring finger. Apply bronzer. Some people wait until after they have applied make-up to say to add bronzer or blush. Bronzer I agree a way to give yourself a natural glow. Lightly brush bronzer all over your face, or just along your cheekbone en tes zones for a natural scentant apprance. Ove, bronzer can look si on people with pale skin if applié incorrectly. Practice at home with bronzer to see if it looks good on you before going out with it on. If you don't like it the way it looks, skip this step. Apply blush. If you were no happy with bronzer, you can apply blush instead. Crème blush generally work better on powder because it gives you a the look and last longer. Using a champagne tinted crème blush, rub a little on your ring finger en blendant to your cheekbone. Not that you should no apply but blush en bronzer, ozone. Line your upper lash line with a brown, black or grey kohl pencil. Some women prefer no to dotty, line looks a little less natural tan and with just mascara. Ote body specialist set to line your eye with a roasted colored gel line. Pencil looks less natural tan liquid or gel line en jelly easy to blend. Line to tear off your top lash line on tear off your bottom lash line. Smudge the line with a cotton bud. Use a white line to make your eye look large. Line ainsi de corner of your eye with a white line or with eye shadow to give your eye a bright look. Some people also like to add a bit of white line or shadow and it brown to make their eye appear bright and more awake. Consider using eye shadow. Use to shadow of eye shadow for a professional look. The color you use should be gold, brown or silver, depending on your skin tone and coloring. Apply a light, neutral tone all over your lid and just above your crease and use slightly darker to softly line the top lid and outline your crease. For a natural look, remember to blend the color. Curl your lash and apply on layer of mascara. Curling your eyelash will give you a bright, awake look. If you want to make your eyelash stand out against your skin, put on a layer of your favorite mascara. If you use mascara, avoid clumping by using a clumping brush or an eyebrow brush. Apply a nude lip color. Avoid using chalky lipstick or shiny lip gloss. Lipstick is generally best because it looks natural and lasts all day. Use a color that close to your natural lip color. Da batini a moins of the shimmering blush on toute santé of your lip. Test this step out at home before going out with it on some people don't like the look of blush in the santé of your lip. Do I feel, on looks, best to you.